Imagine seeing a rechargeable fan on your streets at an Igbo man's shop, and you like it. You make inquiries about it from the Igbo man who is selling electronics, and eventually you got all the details. Then you went on Facebook or your page on Facebook, writes about the product, what it's used for, the key features, and somebody out of your followers or your friends or just random person checking out public posts saw your post and got back to you through a call, and like he or she is interested in that product, and you say no problem, you give the price, and the person said yes, and all you do is to collect the details of the customer, the phone number, his name, and of course the address, and you forward it to your supplier or the person that sells this product, and it delivers. So that's essentially what dropshipping is all about. You must have collected the money, remove your own, and send the rest to the supplier. The basic key ideas in dropshipping is just about someone who doesn't have a product but still sell. And when you want to think of dropshipping, think of AliExpress, think of Jumia, think of Konga, think of eBay, think of Amazon. All these online stores do actually not have this product, but they pair and link vendors with customers. So that's the idea, and I know a lot of people, young talents, young skilled Nigerians who are actually making a living from dropshipping, and some started their mega business from dropshipping. So if this looks like what you are actually interested in, then sit back, relax. This is a channel where we talk about small businesses. This is Small Business Arena. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that when next we drop another video on another innovative business idea, because that's all we do here. And of course we do interviews with small business owners so that we can learn from them. So to dig into what this is all about, you've heard the intro, and that's essentially what dropshipping is about. Every single day, because of what I do, I'm into e-commerce, I see a lot of people who come to me like, okay, this thing you sell, I have someone that wants to buy, and we give them a chance, and that's how some make their money. No matter how small it is, dropshipping can hand you a living with just your smartphone, even without leaving your house. All it takes is to market, find the hot selling product, and of course find a way of meeting the customers' demands. So in this video, I'll be telling you what essentially you need, the basic things you need to kickstart this journey. So the very first thing is your smartphone. You need a phone. Yeah, you cannot do dropshipping easily without a good phone, a phone that is connected to internet, because you will not have opportunity of going here and there. You can do a lot of things with your smartphone at home. First, your smartphone should be connected to so many social media platforms, and I'll tell you why. Because that will be your marketplace where you'll be marketing to customers and they will be getting back to you. So without your mobile phone that is internet enabled, you might not be able to do this. So if you don't have a good phone yet, then the very first thing is to get one, and if you have one yet, then good luck, you are on your way to earn through dropshipping. So the second thing you need is to find a hot selling product. For me, an hot selling product is something that everyone is talking about, and the demand is high. For example, someone was telling me that this rechargeable fan is out of stocks in a lot of places, and I try to check on social media. I try to check some of the platforms I use to get contact to suppliers and sellers, and I realized that it's almost true because of the season we have. Because the weather is hot, a lot of people wanted this, and that shows you that that might be a product that you can drop ship. All it takes is to find someone who sells at a very good price, and you market and you make your own gain from it. So you need to find those hot selling products. There are a lot of products. It could range from clothes, it could range from gadgets, phone accessories, it could even be foodstuffs Maybe there's a particular time that a particular foodstuff is raining, and you can get it, probably a fruit that a lot of people want to buy. You can liaise with the wholesaler, someone who sells, and you have a kind of good day. And you can think of kitchen utensils as well, baby accessories, nursing mother items, religious items, back to school items, items for students on campus, and a whole lot. Just think of it. And another way to find it is to do your research very well on social media, especially on Twitter. Look at people who sell products. What is you can join them as well. It doesn't mean that you cannot start a business that some of these people have started, so long you are not in the same environment. Sky is enough for everyone to fly, so you have to find your own community and market, and you sell. And the products that we do so well, that I also like, consumables, things that people will need to buy and rebuy, not really one-off sales. And of course, one-off sales is also something you can also do. I know of someone who sells kuli kuli. Kuli kuli is just like, do I call it staple now, or snacks? Yeah, that we used to take back then. So this person gets this kuli kuli from a very far place woman. So all she does is market the kuli kuli. You think she's the one selling. She has all the pictures, she has all the videos, she has everything. And once a customer makes an order, she'll forward the order to this person, and she sells. So that's essentially how to go about the product. And from there, you need to source for the suppliers or the manufacturers. How do you source for this? By making your research. You can visit markets. There are a lot of suppliers at different big markets in towns, in Lagos, in big cities, and of course some states. For example, you can go to big markets like Idumota market. You can go to Ogunpa market in Ibadan. You can go to Aba. You can go to Onitsha. So these are sacrifices you need to do if you don't have money to buy products and resell yourself. So after this, you can also go online, make your research, and if you cannot travel to anywhere, you can make use of social media. Find someone in that place. You can give that person a transport fee to go and check out for you. I know of someone who contacted me sometimes ago that he wanted to buy something from my town, and he needed me to help him confirm. And I went there, I confirmed, I did a video, and he was so happy. So he bought the item. So this is a method you can also apply. You can apply this. And of course, there are people who are selling supplier lists. Yeah, I got the guy who actually sold one for me. If you still need it, it was a compilation of different suppliers of different goods in Lagos, and he did a good work. So anytime I just look at probably I need a particular product, I just flip through the book. Hopefully I will see any name that I can contact, and got so good. Some of these names are suppliers WhatsApp, so you can easily chat them up that you want to pick a particular goods, you want to buy this quantity. They give you the current price, and you can do your mathematics and calculation on how to resell even without buying. So all they do is to use their logistics, their dispatch rider, or their terms, and they help you deliver with that. Sometimes they will even write your name as the sender. So that's interesting. So when next a particular customer wants to buy again, they can easily get back to you. So moving from that's the first one we talk about, using a smartphone, getting a smartphone to kickstart. Then we talk about finding the hot selling products. That's the second one. And the third one is finding suppliers or where to get the goods. And the fourth one is where to market. Like I said before, you can make use of this social media platform. Essentially, it's all about making money online, and these platforms are there for you. And that's why we tell people you should make good use of your time on internet. I tell people, if I'm not playing on Facebook, I'm actually in one corridor marketing people's product, marketing my own product as well, and I earn money from this. So I've been doing this for almost, let me say, like 10 years now, as far back as 2014. So think of these platforms like Twitter. Like I said, Naraland is a very good platform, very good forum where you can register, engage in posts, in threads, and you market your product, and you make your money. You definitely see someone who come across your posts and will get across. Then of course you talk of Twitter. I like Twitter a lot as well. I jump on trends on Twitter. I follow trends, and I use the opportunity to market my product as well. And of course Instagram is also a very good place. If you are a very good video creator, content creator, you can get a camera. As you grow in this business, just get the tools to enhance your marketing efforts, and you make some dough from it. Of course, TikTok is another platform. It's not just to go on TikTok and start watching other people's videos. You can also create videos for your business that people can watch. Market anything, airports, bags, and anything. Travel, make videos yourself, record videos, talk to business owners, record videos, market these things, and you see someone who will get across to you. So they are enormous. It's not limited to these three. I've talked about TikTok, I've talked about Facebook, I've talked about Naraland, I've talked about Twitter. You can also register on these e-commerce sites like Gigi, Konga, and a whole lot of them, and you market your products. All of these platforms do not even sell. So what they do is just to onboard vendors, people who actually have the products, and people who don't have the products that know people that have the products. So if a customer is interested in your products, you have a convincing marketing effort, and like, okay, this person, I think I'm convinced that he has something substantial to sell, and I think the price is okay compared to what I've seen, and I think it's genuine. Then I'm going for him, I'm going with him. And some of them can be returning buyers, so that's a way to go about it. The final stage is the payment terms. You can go about it in different ways. Of course, you don't have the money and you don't have the products, so definitely you talk to the person that is selling, the supplier, that okay, this person is buying, and so usually people don't do payment on delivery, but if you can do it, it's fine. So you can talk to the person, but most supplier will not do payment on delivery for you. So you need to convince the buyer that you are genuine. So if the buyer pays, let's say the wholesaler or the person reseller is selling a particular product, let's say wireless mic, now is selling at 12,000 naira, you can sell it at 15,000 naira, and you make 3,000 naira. You just keep your 3,000 naira, you forward 12,000 naira to the seller, and the seller will send the product to the buyer. I've seen a lot of people who bought stuff from me. They will just give me my own money. Please, all they do is just give you the phone number and the address, and you send. Of course, you must have discussed the delivery fee, and that's how it works. And another thing, as you grow, another thing I do in my own little way is to buy the product myself. It's not as if I'm buying to keep. I'll just buy immediately the customer needs it. If a customer needs a particular product today, and I'm convinced that it's ready to buy, I'll just pay PAM. Once I pay, the person will deliver, and I do this if the customer wants payment on delivery. So, and I'll get my rider as well. I'll talk to the rider that once you get there, you collect my money for me, or just wait for the customer to pay. So once I acknowledge payment, you can go. So sometimes I might buy a product from the seller at 12,000 naira, and by the time I had the delivery fee and everything, I might sell at let's say 16,000 naira. So in between, I might make 3,000 naira or 2,000 naira or 3,005. So you can figure out the way you want to collect your money, or the way you want to deal with the customer and the the person that is selling. So that's essentially what drop shipping is all about, and I hope that this will be helpful to someone who is thinking of ways to make money online and to earn something using his or her smartphone. So if you have earned money from drop shipping, you have done it before, or you are currently doing it, why don't you share your experience in the comment box? And you can also contact me via the comment box. I'll get across to you, and we can do an interview together where you share your experience, and we'll document it here so that people that are interested in this can also learn from your experience to navigate their own pathway. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. God bless you.